In today's video, I'll teach you how to use indicators on IQ option. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an IQ option. You can also open the application if you want, or you can also open it on browser. If you want to open it on browser, what you have to do is simply click on the search bar and type in iqoption.com/trader room. After you do that, you can see over here IQ option will be opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here, you'll be able to see the chart. If you want to add the indicator, it is actually very simple. At the left hand side of the chart, you'll be able to find various icons. What you have to do is simply click on this icon for indicators. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the indicators over here. Indicators are grouped in categories like popular, momentum, trend, volatility, moving averages, volume, etc. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to find various indicators over here. If you hover over the indicator, you'll also be able to find the information regarding that particular indicator. Read this information. Now after you read this information, if you want to add the indicator, what you have to do is simply click on that particular indicator. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find the options like basic settings, colors and display. What you have to do is simply enter the period, range 1, range 2, or there will be other settings options according to the indicator that you selected. Simply adjust the settings. If you want to adjust the period, click on the field of period. Now enter it over here. Likewise, you can do so for range 2. Also, you'll be able to adjust the colors and display. Click on the field of colors and display. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the colors and display over here. Simply adjust the settings according to your choice. After you're done, click on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular indicator has been added. So that is how you use indicators in IQ option. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.